Hope you all are fine. So today we'll do the back exercise and question answers of chapter 12, grade 4, the solar system. Open your books, chapter 12, everyone. First of all, let's recall. Let's recall, write capital T for true and capital F for false statements. All planets do not revolve around the sun. This is false. All the planets, they revolve around the sun, right? So first statement is false. On the top, write down today's date and grade task. Second is the Earth is the third planet. Yes, Earth is the third planet. So this one is true. Third is Venus is the smallest planet. No. Mercury is the smallest planet, not Venus. So this is false. Jupiter is the largest planet. Yes, it is. So this statement is true. Venus has two moons. No, Venus doesn't have any moon. So this one is false. After this, we'll start with back exercise of let's answer. Part A is your MCQs, means 4 options are given, multiple choice questions. You have to take the correct answer. I will be writing only answers on the board. First is, which of the following is the largest planet? A. Mercury, B. Jupiter, C. Venus, and D. Earth. Answer is B. Jupiter. So on B put tick. Second is, the rotation of the Earth takes A. 24 hours, B. 24 days, C. 24 months, and D. 24 weeks. Answer is A. 24 hours. Third is, the natural satellite of the Earth is A. Sun, B. Star, C. Moon, and D. Mars. Answer is C. Moon. Question number 4, which of the following is the hottest planet of the solar system? Answer is B. Venus. And fifth is, which of the following is the farthest planet? It's A. Neptune. Note down these answers. Part B is fill in the blanks. First, there are dash planets in our solar system. There are total 8 planets in our solar system. So correct answer is 8. There are 3 options were given. Second, the planets reflect light of the dash. They reflect light of the sun. They do not have their own light. Third is dash is the smallest planet. Smallest planet is Mercury. Fourth is Pluto and Eris are dash. These are type of dwarf planets. They do not fit the definition of the planets. We call them dwarf planets. Fifth is Mercury and Venus have no dash. They do not have any moons. Next one is name the following or answer in one word. So part C. First is the seasons in which rain falls in India. It falls in monsoon season. So answer is monsoon season. Second, The imaginary line that passes from the North Pole to the South Pole of the Earth. Answer is, we call it axis. Third, the imaginary line that divides the Earth into two equal halves. We call it equator, and it divide the Earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Fourth is two constellations. You can name any two constellations. I'm writing Orion, Ursa Major. You can write Ursa Minor also. Fifth is number of days that Earth takes to complete one revolution. Revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. But here in the question, only the number of days that the Earth take to complete the revolution they have asked. So answer is 365 days. So this was back exercise. After this, part D is your question answers. Question 1 is, what causes day and night? See, day and night, these are caused due to rotation of the Earth. The position of the Sun in the solar system, it is fixed, and Earth is revolving. Sorry. Is what causes day and night. Day and night, these are caused due to the rotation of the Earth. Earth is continuously moving on its own axis, and half of the Earth, it faces Sun at a time. So the part of the Earth which faces Sun at a time, it has day, and the another half which is on the another side of the Earth has night. So in this way, day and night it is caused. Question number 2 is, what is solar system? What is solar system? Solar system is made up of solar system consists of Sun. Sun is situated at the center of the solar system, and 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 8 planets, they revolve around the Sun in their fixed path. That fixed path is known as orbit. Along with that, all these planets, they have their natural satellite, we call them moons, and different planets, they have different number of moons. Along with that, there are so many other heavenly bodies like meteoroids, asteroids, the dwarf planets, they all together make the solar system. Question number 3, why is Mars called the red planet? Why is Mars called the red planet? Mars is called as red planet due to its appearance. The pictures which are being taken from the space, it appeared as it is red in color. Now, why is it red in color? Due to the presence of reddish brown or rusty dust which is there on the planet Mars, and due to its presence, only due to the presence of the reddish brown or rusty colored dust, it seems like it is red in color. That's why we call it red planet. Question number 4 is, what is revolution? How are seasons caused? What is revolution? Revolution is, it is the movement of the earth. Movement of the earth where? Around the sun. That is only known as revolution. And second part of this question is, how are seasons caused? Seasons are caused due to two reasons. There are two reasons for this. First reason is that earth tilt of the earth on 23.5 degree angle, and second reason behind the seasons, it is the movement, that is the revolution of the earth. So the two reasons, the two causes, how are seasons caused? Seasons are caused due to the following reasons. First one is due to the tilt of the earth on 23.5 degree angle, and second is due to the revolution of the earth around the sun. Question 5th, with the help of a diagram explain how day and night are caused. That I have already explained with question number 1. Question 6, what are satellites? Name the natural satellite of the earth. Question number 6, what are satellites? First of all, satellites, these are, what are satellites? Satellites are the objects. Which objects? Objects that revolve around planets. Or here we can say, here we are talking about the planet Earth. We call it satellite. Now there are two types of satellite. In the types of satellite, first one is natural satellites. Natural satellites are the one which naturally exist, which are not made by man. So in other words, we can say moon. And second type is artificial satellites. Now what are artificial satellites? Which are made by man and which revolve around the planets. These are sent into the space to capture some particular information. Second part of this question is, name the natural satellite of the earth. So the natural satellite of the earth is moon. Last question is, question number 7. It has 3 parts. First of all, they have asked what are stars. Second, why do they appear tiny? And third is, name the star closest to the earth. First, what are stars? Stars are huge ball of burning gases. Now, which one burning gases? Especially hydrogen and helium. And on the surface of the star, this hydrogen is getting converted. Hydrogen and helium, these are the names of the gases. And on the surface of the stars, hydrogen is getting converted into helium continuously, and due to this, it gives out so stars are huge ball of burning gases, and which one? Especially the gases hydrogen and helium. These are the gases which are present on the surface, and hydrogen is getting converted into helium continuously. Due to this conversion, it gives out heat and light energy. There are few stars which are even big than the sun. Why do they appear tiny? They appear tiny because are very far. They are very far away from the earth. That's why they appear like they are twinkling kind of small dot dot into the night sky, right? Because they are very far away from the earth. And why we can't see them during day? Because of the sunlight. We cannot see them during the daytime. Now name the star which is closest to the earth. The closest star, the nearest star to the earth is the sun. After this, next is in Hodge, why is Earth called blue planet? Earth is known as the blue planet because 70% of the Earth is covered with water. So it seems like it is blue in color, in appearance. That's why we call it blue planet. Second is, what would happen if the Earth stops rotating? If Earth will stop rotation, then half of the Earth, it will get heat of the sun, direct heat of the sun continuously, right? And other half will get the cold of the space continuously. So life will not be possible on the earth. So this was all about your basic exercise and question answers. Have a nice day.